I've got a 2005 Ford Mondeo Mk. A very strange rattling noise coming from what seems to be behind the dashboard. It starts at about 2000 revs and upwards. It's been getting slowly, progressively worse over the last 6 months, and I cannot find where it's coming from until today. This model has the Irritating HE engine. I first thought it was an idler pulley bearing that was rattling, but that wasn't the case. It turns out that it was the engine mount. These are fluid filled engine mounts and it had lost its fluid. So I got a new one and installed it, and the rattle is now gone. You can give the old engine mount a good shake and you can hear the rattle inside. I hope this helps some people with the same horrible rattle. Thanks for watching.